catch up to me, Tails. Gotta go fast. Yeah. You can't catch up to me. Say whatever you can say, Sonic.
Do you have your license plate or not?
No. We don't got license plates. How you drive? I don't know. You suck at driving, Tails. Keep on talking.
I hate my life.
Weather, Knuckles. You can take it.
This is why you don't play with vehicles. Some adults.
We already got so. Woohoo! Zoom.
Bad time.
Zoom.
Every single moment. This.
Don't worry, Knuckles. You're not gonna get rash. You're already red. Okay. Alright, I'm on my way, Amy. Is this an Eggman situation? Because he sat there. I can eat it. No. It's gotta go fast.
One moment.
Zoom. I'm so sorry, Eggman. I didn't need to dirty you up, if you know what I mean. What? Did I do anything wrong?
You're gonna pay me back. With your life. Now, let's get started.
You already know you can't beat me with these. Gotta go fast. This is too easy. This is too easy, Eggman. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Damn.
Woohoo! I call that a tornado. Yeah! Get lost, Egghead! You suck. Boo! You're trash! You stink!
Shut the fuck up.
Your ass!
Shut the fuck up.
No! Oh, wow, Eggman. You gotta talk trash even more.
If I want to win,
I would probably kick your ass.
Yeah, I can't believe this game's not even coming out. This game just came out before GTA 6. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? When is the game actually coming out? You heard a huge delay. What? We want our money. Take our money.
GTA 6.
Oh yeah, it got delayed to 2026. Crazy, right? We gotta wait an entire year.
I don't want to wait till your game. I wish that came out in 2026. I wish that got delayed. Look at my game. Come on. Stop here from my game. Stop. It's good. I promise.
Oh yeah. We'll let the town money, please.
More famous than Mario and Sonic.
Sonic got good movies. Yeah.
Does he?
And Mario got good movies as well. Yeah. Is it a superhero game or an action playable game?
Stop, Harvey.
You know what? First of all, this game just looks like a rip-off to Sonic the Hedgehog in the Mario series, but just worse. Yeah, facts.
Stop.
So I think you should stop and cancel that game. Goddamn game.
Fuck you too. Skatebot. Steve Polybot. That little bitch that pay for his little ass crimes.
The best sandwiches in the
Let's
city.
get started.
You gotta be kidding me. You guys suck. Ha! What? That's enough.
These God damn.
Get back here, you lesbian girl. We didn't need any disrespect. That's just honest. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah.
Damn, actually, he might kick my ass. But at least the game will look cool. Am I right, kids? Alright, let's do this. All the fine styles, everything. It would be so perfect. All the cries stuff. Chop, chop. Bro, Sonic doesn't kick my ass. Alright, let's go.
Elliot humiliated himself enough already.
The only time I only get defeated is by the alternate life form. But this is just embarrassing. Glittery. Dude, get lost! Get out of their home!
I got my ass kicked by Sonic. Pretty traumatizing, isn't it?
That ain't good news, man. That's just sad.
You not being my slave's not good news.
Wait, what? We're not your slaves. We're just robots trying to do your damn bidding.
You are my fucking slaves anyway, so.
Yeah, only if we had someone to beat Sonic.
Maybe Shadow will.
Zoom. That's you.
That's you.
Take over. Hey, motherfucker, I'm about to whoop your ass and then nut in your butt.
You sure?
Hell yeah, motherfucker. I'm gonna whoop your ass and say 2014. Actually, no, I think you were born in 1944. So I'm gonna whoop your ass either way.
No.
Shadow said you gonna whoop my ass. I'm very worried.
It's true.
Sonic! Let's talk about Shadow. Is he fucking stupid or
what you're gaining into this?
From the old fucking dumb Sega games, remember?
Listen, honestly, in my opinion, Shadow's a good person. I can't wait for him to co-star in that third movie.
You sure about that? Because he beat you up in a new Sonic trailer, so.
So? I'm gonna beat him eventually. Who knows? Maybe he gives him the flash check about Maria.
I'm bored as hell. Sitting here in the lonely ass cave. Oh, what the hell? What your fat ass want?
I just want you, Skinny Bones. I want you, Black Mountain Dew.
First of all,
honestly, Shadow's just a piece of trash. I can't even believe he's in my third movie anyway. I'll kick his butt if I had to. Stupid person. No wonder Maria died.
shut the fuck up. Your breath smell like ass anyways. Who cares? He's a blue hedgehog. He doesn't even have colors.
So he said he wanna fight you.
Yeah, man, that was the greatest game we ever played. I still wish you. Yeah! Oh no! Who did that to you?
I don't know. But sometimes I think my hands are malicious.
Hey, motherfuckers.
Yeah. Shadow, what are you doing here?
Nothing. Just chilling my ass.
Yeah, you can't catch me. That's the guy you can teleport. Oh, my tails.
Yep, stay down in that little ugly ass.
I better hope they fight really well. Sonic might get his ass kicked, but who cares?
Yeah, oh my god, the Edge Lord. That guy always had some curse words to say. Ah! Stop cussing at me.
The fact that we've been friends for 9 years and you still don't learn.
I don't go down that easily, Shadow.
Stupid.
Shut
up. Don't interrupt me.
My neck. Oh my.
9 years, I think, and you still haven't learned
he ended his whole career.
I'm about to box your dumb ass like a flower, dumb ass nigga. Stupid ass, ugly ass nigga.
Hey, you back away from our teammate. Yeah!
Sit your dumb ass down. I'm about to knock this motherfucker out.
What's that?
You got.
Well, we can call Sonic. He'll beat you for sure.
Sure.
Yeah! Huh? Dude,
People are so stupid.
Sonic, please help us. Zoom, I came as fast as you could. Yeah. Huh?
Hey, dumbass motherfucker. About time.
You again? How? Why you can't? My back.
Shut up and just fight me already, like you said you would.
Wait.